Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Begin by verifying the battery is a 12V Group 35 unit with about 550 cca so your replacement matches. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, remove the key, and wait at least 20 minutes for components to cool. Put on safety glasses and gloves. Battery acid can burn. Open the hood and locate the battery on the passenger side. Collect tools: a 10mm wrench, 10mm socket with a 3/8-inch ratchet and extension, an adjustable wrench, and a small wire brush or terminal puller. With the vehicle off and keys removed, disconnect the negative terminal first. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the clamp and move the cable away from the post. Next, loosen the positive terminal, but do not let metal tools bridge both terminals. Unbolt the battery hold-down bracket with the 10mm socket and ratchet, then carefully lift the battery straight up from the tray. A typical Group 35 battery weighs about 40 lb. Inspect the tray and cables and clean corrosion with 1 tablespoon baking soda dissolved in 1 cup of water and a wire brush. Set the new 12V Group 35 battery rated approximately 550 cca into the tray so terminals sit in correct orientation. Reinstall the hold-down clamp and tighten snugly to the manufacturer recommendation, about 5 to 8 nm, to prevent movement. Attach the positive terminal first, tightening the clamp with a 10mm wrench, then attach the negative terminal and tighten. Apply a thin coat of terminal protector or dielectric grease to prevent corrosion. Start the engine and verify resting voltage near 12, 6V and charging voltage between 13, 8V and 14, 6V, then reset clocks and check lights and accessories. Recycle the old battery at an authorized center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.